Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe: cucumber, ginger, lemon, fresh juice, fresh smoothie you can make at home in your kitchen. Nothing can beat these fresh natural ingredients, guys. I'm telling you this. Give this one a try at home, make it, and leave your comments in the description box. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, clicking the bell, and leave your comments in the description box. Guys, you know what happened? Resolution. New 2019 resolution is I want to say to you, a lot of people leave their comments in the first video. You can always leave your comments, tell me what do you think, you know what I mean. Starting the new year very healthy and all these things is very important. Anyway, I love all of you guys and thank you for the time for, you know what I mean, leaving your comments and watching my video. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipes. If you have anything you want to share with me, please write it in the description box. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned. I will see you next time with more recipes, more ideas, and also don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell. Very important. But guys, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Long time I don't give you a juice, but today I want to do you something really refreshing, starting the new year like this. I got roughly about quarter of a cucumber, and I'm gonna show you can make yourself a nice lovely cucumber juice. All right, first thing I'm gonna be using my Ninja blender, but before we go any further is remove the skin from the cucumber. That's the first thing you want to do. Some people said, I say, why are you moving the skin from the cucumber? The skin have more energy. Yeah, the skin have a lot of energy, but checking about like the seed have a lot of energy too also. So cut up the cucumber like this. All right. Should I put more? Yeah, I'm gonna put more cucumber inside of it. So I'm using roughly about 3/4 of the cucumber, because 95% of cucumber is just water. Remember guys, 95% of the cucumber is water. All right. Lovely. So once you do that with the cucumber, let's see, it still look a little bit light, so I'm gonna just use a medium-sized cucumber. All right, because of the blender, you don't want to put too much stuff in the blender where it cannot blend it. So basically you have to know what you're doing. And get a piece of fat chunk ginger. Gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Just gonna cut up a piece of a ginger inside of it like this. Yeah, you see, the ginger definitely bring out a lovely flavor to it also. A lot of people might say, oh, I don't like I'm gonna put a tablespoon of honey, teaspoon of honey. So that's the honey I'm putting inside of it. All right, you don't have to put honey, you can just drink it natural as it is, but for me personally, I like my honey, so I'm always using honey. Squeeze a little bit of the lime juice inside of it. You see that? Roughly about a tablespoon of lime juice. Then we're gonna put a little bit of water, roughly about 1/2 cups of water. Switch on my blender, and I'm gonna cover it just like this. And I'm gonna be blending this for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. See that? Nice and lovely. Lovely. So that's finished. All right guys, That's exactly what I'm talking about. Put that one side. My cup. My ginger. Let's give it a shake. Oh, done. What do you think about this nice, lovely fresh cucumber and fresh ginger, lemon juice and honey smoothie? Guys, it is amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming, and this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. So please stay tuned, log on, get more recipes and more ideas from me and the team. We always give you the best recipe, guys. This one is just a simple smoothie which you can make at home in your kitchen. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't go anywhere. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and this is a very healthy drink for you guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.